stop moving. It's like I got this music in my mind saying it's gonna be alright. Cause the player's gonna play, 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 play. And the hater's gonna hate, 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 hate. And I'm just gonna shake, 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 shake. Shake it off, shake it off. Heartbreaker's gonna break, 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 break. And I think it's gonna fake, 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 fake. But I'm just gonna shake, 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 shake. Shake it off, shake it off. Loog Nation! Hey everyone, it's Mr. Will with Loog Nation, where future guitarists start. And as you could tell, I'm doing some Taylor Swift today. Yeah! Oh man, she's amazing. You can't deny that Taylor Swift is not amazing. And this song is super fun to play. It's got 3 chords. You can use a variety of strums, from a very beginner strum to a little more advanced like you just saw, and even more technique to follow if you'd like. So stick around. Let's learn our chords. A minor, C, and G. That's all you need for the entire song. So let's build that A minor, our second finger on the top string, the 3rd string, 2nd fret. First finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. And then the open 1st string. That's our sound check. Make sure our fingers are chomping down on the fretboard, our thumb is behind, trying to help support our fingers. We're trying to touch our thumb through the neckboard, the fretboard, the neckboard? Okay. The fretboard, right? A minor. The other 2 are very easy. It's a C, first finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. If you've been watching other videos, I've played this chord before. Awesome. And now we have a G. 3rd fret of the 1st string, or the thinnest string, with my 3rd finger. G. The progression goes like this. We're going to play A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then G. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're doing 8 beats, or 2 bars of each, and then we're doubling up on the G. That's pretty much the whole song, and you can stop right here and have fun if you know you're strumming and are confident with being able to play however you want to play. Go for it. Before you leave, I've got a couple of other options for you. We're going to work on some technique on the fretboard, and we're also going to learn different strummings. Hey, before you go, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Basic strumming, beginner style, Taylor Swift. Strum and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It works really well. I stay out till late. Got nothing in my brain. That's what people say. That's what people say. Totally works. Check. Next level strumming. Let's use quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. And that sounds like something like this. You'd be like, but I keep losing, can't stop, won't stop moving. It's like I got this music in my mind saying it's gonna be alright. And then, like you saw at the intro with me, I was doing 1/8 notes. That's the next kind of strum you could use. And I'm strumming down and up for that. quickly because I want you to be able to get to playing this song. That was a little more advanced. I would say that'd be like intermediate to advanced strumming because we have to change so quickly and stay in tempo. That would be something like, cause a player's gonna play, 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 and a hater's gonna hate, 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 and I'm just gonna shake, 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 shake it off, shake it off. Heartbreaker's gonna break, 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 and the faker's gonna fake, 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 fake. I'm just gonna shake, 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 shake it off, shake it off. So those are 3 strums to use throughout the song. Couple of tricks here. The first one was the stop right before the chorus, right? That stop right before the chorus, I went like, we're gonna just lay our fingers on the strings, right? So we're kind of like just strumming non-notes. That's kind of fun. Give that a shot. Saying it's gonna be alright, cause the player's gonna... Right, you heard that? Yeah, there you go. So we got the saying it's gonna be alright. 2, 3, cause the player's gonna play, 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 play. One other thing that I did at the very beginning. This is pretty advanced stuff, so here we go. What I'm playing is a double stop. This is like cool, advanced guitar musician stuff. I'm letting you in on it. Why not? Let's do it. What I'm doing is I'm not using this hand to stop the sound. I'm using this hand to stop the sound, my fretting hand, right? Not my strumming hand. So what I'm doing is I'm playing and I'm squeezing and unsqueezing the strings on the frets. I'm not picking all the way off, right? It's not like that's just ugly and messy. Ugh. What I want to do is I want to squeeze, and I'm just like, right? And that first string might ring out a little. So what I'm doing is I'm literally just the very littlest unsqueeze to stop the sound. That's pretty fun. So if you're not squeezing hard enough, sometimes your chords may sound like this. But if you're squeezing hard enough, you get the full chord, and the moment you stop squeezing hard enough, the sound stops. And I kind of like use my fingers to stop the sound. That's pretty cool. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna squeeze, and that's a full stop. I'm laying my fingers, right? Down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. With the G, I have to use my other finger to stop the string. This is kind of advanced stuff. I just wanted to show you all, just in case you were interested. So up tempo, it sounds like this. It's like, hey, I hear those horns at the beginning of the song. I want to like mimic that. I want to sound like that. So that's a way to do that. Let's put it all together. I stay out too late, got nothing in my brains. That's what people say. That's what people say. I go on too many dates, I can't make them stay. That's what people say. That's what people say. All right, there you go. That was a whole bunch of strums all in one song. Hey, I had a blast working on this song. It is really fun to play. Take it at your pace. It sounds good no matter what way you play it. Listen, if you're having a good time and you want more songs that you want to learn, please leave your favorite song in the comments below. I want to know from you, my Loog Nation community, what songs you like and what songs you'd like to learn how to play on your Loog. It'd be my pleasure to learn those songs and teach them to you so we can play together. That'd be cool. All right, have a great time playing this song. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you every Thursday here on Loog Nation, where future guitarists start. See you next time.